Hi everyone, Mr. Zaki and Mariam with you. Now we want to solve the questions for kangaroo-2021. So I told you before, we have 30 questions in 5 and 6 grades. So we have 30 questions. These 30 questions, we have each 10 question. We have 10 questions. For each question that has 3 points. And the middle questions from I think from 11 to 20, also this for 4 points. And the last 10 questions, each question will be 5 points. So now we will take this in 5 and 6 grade. We will solve each of them. Okay, now with Mariam. Question number 1. Please read Mariam and explain how to find the answer. Go ahead.
Okay, in question number 1, it says Walid has 6 bricks as shown above. Which of the following solid shapes can he made with his 6 bricks? So here, let's see the shape. So here we see 4 shaded and 2 not shaded. Or here we can say it's dark and this is white. So here they want us which shape he could make with only these 6 blocks. So here, can you scroll down? Okay, so here let's see. We have in the first one, we have here 3 of them and 3 above. So let's see the other one. Here it's the same. So here I think the closest one is going to be
yeah, you must discover 4 black or 4 bricks. That's a gray and white. Yes.
I think it's D. Why? Because here we have 1, 2, and 3, 4. We have 4 dark ones, and here we have 2. So it's the same as how much he has. So I think the closest one is D.
Right, correct. The answer is D. Good job. Okay, so the answer is D. Good job, because we have white bricks and 4 bricks here. Okay. Okay, we will go to question number 2.
Okay, in question number 2, it says, in how many places in the picture are 2 children holding each other's with their left hand? So here they want us to find with their left hands. So let's see. So here they want us 2 children holding, but it's left hands. Okay, so how we're going to find this? So they gave us an illustration. So first, what we're going to do, we're going to see. Okay, so let's see. So here they want us with their left hand. So here it's left and here is right. But this girl, she's holding her hand. So we're going to count this girl. And here also, we're going to count him. And also this one, or I'm going to use the shape so it could be way more neat. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So and 6. Or here, let's see. So her left is, oh, okay, now I understand. It's because they're flipped.
Yes.
So here
2 children holding each other with their left hands only.
So here, because I just noticed that they're flipped. So here if they're flipped, so if they're normal, like this one, here it's going to be left and here is right. But if you flip it, this is right and this is left.
No, this it is left, this it is right. So this you must cancel. And here it is right, so it is cancelled. Here it is left because this right now. This left and this it is right, so you must cancel. This it is left and this it is right, so you must cancel. Look here, this it is left and this also left, so that's the question here. Only one, because this left, so this right and this right. So the answer will be how many now? Only one. The answer is A. Is it clear?
Yes, it's clear.
Right, because the question said, how many places in the picture are two children holding each other with their left hands only? So now left hands only with girls and boy, like this, left and left. Right? Is it clear?
Yes,
Do you understand?
Clear.
Right,
Yes,
good. Okay, now number 3. Read number 3 and try to solve the problems.
Number 3, it says in the square you can see the digits from 1 to 9. A number is created by starting at the star, following the line and writing down the digits along the line while passing. For example, the line show represents the number 42685. Which of the following line represents the largest number?
Right.
So here they want us to find the largest number. I think they meant when it's the largest number, we're going to add them all together to find which one is the largest. So here, let's see. We can take from for the one. Can you scroll up?
Okay.
We have 147258369. Okay, so here, what we're going to do, we're going to draw in each table and we're going to see. So first, it's going to be down. So let's just write it here. 147, then 258, and then 369. Okay, now you can scroll down and let's try to do it with each one. Okay, so first in option A, so here it starts with the star and then goes down. So let's see. Can you scroll down back to the options so we can begin doing it? Okay, so in the first one, let's see. I'm just going to copy it again so it could be more clear. 4, 7, and then 2, 5, 8, and then 3, 6, 9.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm just going to erase this. And then now, let's do it with each one. So first, with the first option, it starts from 1, and then it goes down.
You can write it here directly. This 1, 5, 7, 8. This also will be 6. So when you write this number 1, 5, 7, 8, 6, right? Now we write it. So here you must start with the big digit here because this small digit 1. So the stars here, where is it? Here, when you see this now, the big number, you must start with them. So here it is 9. So, and here, when it is the start is 1, is a small number. Also, this starts with 2, this is small number. And here start with 8, 9 is greater than 8. So you cancel 3 chosen. Now we write it, we compare between B and E. Yeah, okay, write the number now. This the number will be, yeah, you know,
it's
9,
8,
8, 5, 4, 2, right? And here will be also.
And here will be 8. Yes, it's going to be 8. Then
Yes.
6. And then
6,
5.
5.
It's going to go up, so it's going to be 1, I think.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, it's 1.
So now you can compare between them. What's the answer? Which
I think we could add them. Maybe if we
no. Yeah, the question said the largest numbers. What is the largest number here?
Okay, so here we have 98 and here 98. So it's the same. But here we have 651 and 542. So of course E is E because 651 is greater than 542.
Right, correct. Good job. Perfect. Yes, it is E. Right. So the largest number is E. Right, correct. Okay, now number 4, please read the question.
To write the word P-E-N-G-U by using letters from the boxes. She can only take one letter from each box. What letter must Safa take from box 4? So it says she only take one from each one. So here, let's see. In box 1, she's going to take N. So we're done with N.
Why you take N here from the first box? So
because in the other one, E.
Yes, no, please pay attention, Mariam. Here you must take the letter that's you start the least letter from the box. If you have the least letter from the box, so you must start with what? With box number 3, because box number 3 only has one letter, right? So you must start with the least letter in the box. Do you understand? So here from box 3, we choose, we take N, right? There's now we cancel N from box 3. And you go to box 5 or box 1. Now, yes, now N, we finish it, right?
Yes, and now we're going to think, I think we could take from box 5 first.
No,
it's
box 1.
Box 1 and box 2, they both have N and E. So both of them
you go to box 1 because N is gone. So we choose E from box 1. So we cancel E. Then we will go to box number 5.
We're going to take U.
Yeah, we will take U, right? This we will take U because there's cancel.
And now we have box 4 and box 2. I think first we're going to start with box 4 since it has less letters than box 2.
Yes, right. Yeah, because N is taken, U is taken, E is taken.
So we're going to take G.
Yeah, the letter, the rest or the remainder will be G, right? In box 4. So what's the answer now?
So here we're going to also take K from box 2. So here they want from box 4. She's going to take D, J.
Right, the answer is J. Good job. It is D, right, correct. Okay, now number 5.
When the 5 pieces are fitted together correctly, they form a rectangle with a calculation on it. What's the result on this calculation? So here they form a rectangle. So let's see. So it's like a puzzle. So we have to imagine how it does. So we're going to connect them. So first, I think we can write here. Maybe we can fit this one with this one. So here I think it's going to be 2, and then it's going to be plus here, and then on the other side it's going to be also 2, I think. Yes, and then what? So here we already used the 2 and plus. So here, what's going to happen? So here I think it's going to be 1, and then here I think it's going to be 0. It's probably multiplication. So 1. So here, what we're going to do, so it's going to be 2, and then so it's going to be. Oh, okay, now I understand. So first.
Mariam, if you want to help you, okay, now I want to help you here. Here you must know about the corner here. Look here, side, this side. Look at this side. So this now you put it in number 1. So you must put 1. And here also we have open here. So number 2 will be, where is it? This. So we put it this because here, right? So this you put number 2. So we write it 2 here. And also we have now this open, and we have here the left one. So you put plus, and the right one, and here will be plus. Then this, because the last one, this number is 3, and here will be number 4, it's 2, and this because this the side is from the right, so put it the last one. Then you add them. 12 plus 20,
It's 32.
Yes,
32.
it is 32. So the answer is B.
It's B.
Right, good job. Do you understand?
Yes, I understand.
Yes, right, correct. Okay, we will go to question number 6. Please read.
Okay, so question number 6 says, a measuring tape is wrapped around a cylinder. Which number should be a place shown by the question mark? So here we can stop at 32, and then if we wrap it again, 11, so it's then 22. So here I think, so here as shown, it shows that oh, okay, now I understand. So then here it's going to get flipped. So I think it's going to be, I think.
Here, here you must only find the difference between 6 and 27. So 27 minus 6 equals 21, right? So now the difference between two lines 21. Is 21. And only you add 27 plus 21, then equals
48.
It will be 48. And also 21 plus, yes, 21 plus 48, then you get 69. Right, so here will be 69. So the answer is going to be?
It's going to be C.
C. Is it clear?
Yes, it's clear.
Right, good job. Okay, perfect. Okay, now number 7.
Okay, number 7 says the 5 figures on the grid can only move in the direction indicated by the black arrows. Which figure can leave through gate G? Okay, so here they said that it can only move by the direction indicated by the black arrows. So here which one can leave through? So I think in the first one, can you help me with this one?
Okay, I am happy to help you. Okay, here only you calculate here the will be open here. How many square I have here? Only 3. So these shape move right or up or down or left. So we calculate here 1, 2, 3, 4. So we can't because here only 3. So we can't. That's A is wrong, right? And here also 1, 2, 3, 4. We can't. No, not open or not move in this open in this door. Also here 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can't pass in G. Also here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you can't also pass in G. Here look 1, 2, 3, right? So 3 pass in the G, in the gate G. Then when pass, when reach like this here, then move to what? Move to left. Then pass also here because each line is 3. Here 3, so the same number. So the answer is going to be?
It's B.
It's B, right, correct. Yeah, is it clear?
Yes, now I understand it.
Yes, right, it is B, correct, good job. Okay, now number 8, okay, read and explain. Okay, Mariam.
So number 8 says Selma is going to paint the walls in her room green. The green paint is too dark, so she mixes it with white paint. She tries two different mixtures. Which of the following mixtures will give the darkest green color? 1 part green, 3 parts white, 2 parts green, 6 parts white, 3 parts green, 9 parts white, 4 parts green, 12 parts white. They will all be equally dark. So here she wants us, the green pig is too dark, so she mixes it. So she wants us the darkest green. So let's see. I think the answer. So first, let's see. So it's one. So
Okay, you must think. Here, okay, I help you. Here, it is when there's in the green, there's 1, and here it is what? It is 3. Here in the green, oh, sorry, this Arabic. 1 part green, there's 1 part green and 3 parts white. Here 2 parts green and here 6 parts. So 3 parts green and 9. Here 4 and 12. And the last one, they will all be equally dark. Here, when you see the ratio, is it the same? 1 to 3, 2 to 6. 2 to 6, when you simplify, it is 1 to 3. And here also, when you simplify, divided by 3, then you get the same ratio. And 4 to 12, when you would simplify, you get the same ratio. It is 1 to 3. And also 1 to 3. So all of them, the same ratio. So the answer is going to be?
they will all be equal dark.
Yes, they will all be equally dark. Is it clear? Mariam,
yes, it's clear.
Right, good job. Okay, now number 9. Okay, read the questions.
Okay, and question number 9, it says Miriam had a piece of paper. She folded it exactly in half. Then she folded it exactly in half again. She got this shape. Which of the following shapes, P, Q, or R, could have been the shape of her original piece of paper? Can you go up so we can see? So let's see. So if we imagine P, if we fold it in half and then she folded it again, so it's not going to be P because it's going to be a small rectangle, so it's going to be wrong. So here, Q or R, if we folded it in half and then we folded it again, it's going to be the same shape. So I think it's going to be Q.
Okay, here we want to find the area because I have a triangle. Now I want to find the area of them. This triangle, it is the same as here. Look here, the same is here, right? So this is a triangle. There's a triangle. So this, if I want to find the area of this triangle, do you know how to find the area of triangle? Half base time h, you know? Yeah, do you know?
I think I forgot. Can you help me?
Yes, okay, half base time high. How many base base I have? Only 2, and here 2. So you multiply 2 times 2 times 2, then you simplify 2 with 2, then you get the triangle, the area of triangle is 2. So now the area of triangle is 2. So here, now we want to find the area of each shape. Here, a rectangle, what is the area? It is here 2, and here it is 4. You multiply 2 times 4 equals 8. So the area is 8 here, okay? The area of the squares, we can separate here also, we can find it. So the base is 4, the half times 4 times the height, so 2, then you simplify, then the area of each part is 4. So the area of the square is what? Also is 8, right? Yes. So here also we multiply half, the area is half multiplied by base time h. So half time, we have 4 here, and also we have time 4. We simplify, also we get the same area is 8, right? So we have each shape, the area is 8. So now what about this triangle? This triangle only because he said Mariam had a piece of paper, she folded it exactly in half. So if I suppose the area is 8 and then give the half is 4, right? This is the first time. Folded it exactly in half again. Also, we bring the half again, so it is 2. So she got this shape. So get this shape. So now, what's the answer? That's the answer is any of P, Q, or R.
Q or R.
Right? Yes. The answer is E because the same area of them. Is it clear, Mariam?
Yes, it's clear.
Right. Now, there's the last questions for this video. Okay, read number 10 and explain how to find the answer.
Okay, in number 10, it says there is a square with line segments drawn inside.
I can't hear you, Mariam.
Okay, can you hear me now?
Yes, yes.
Okay, so it says there is a square with line segments drawn inside it. The line segments are drawn either from the vertex or the midpoints of other line segments. We colored 1/8 of the large square. Which one is our coloring? So here, I'm not sure. Can you help me?
Yes. Here he wants 1/8 of the large squares. Here, when I separate, this will be 1/4, right? This color. This, because when I divided the squares in 4 pieces, so this square will be 1/4, right?
Right.
Yes. And this, I think, is the smallest one. It is no. This, it's no, not 1/8. So we can draw the squares and we divide it by 8 pieces. Here, we divide it to 8 pieces because we want 1/8. So we divide it by 8 pieces. Now we have 8 pieces. So which one is 1/8? So only you must a triangle. That's the same triangle. This now, it is 1/8, right? This
Yes.
1/8. Which one does the same shape or look like? What do you think?
Think the closest one is, I think.
Mariam, I can't hear you.
Can you hear me now?
Yes.
I think the closest one is between D or B.
Yes, D, not B. B, it is a small triangle here. And here, D is the same, the half of the square. Now here, the triangle is half the square. So the answer is 1/8 is D, right?
Right.
Okay, that's fine. Good job. Okay, thank you very much, my student, and you are welcome with Mr. Zaki and Mariam. Bye, and see you in the next video. Bye.